Ever sent money across state lines? This is trickier. Hey crypto-curious folks, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of sending Bitcoin, BTC, the OG cryptocurrency, using Coinbase, a popular exchange platform. Imagine you're in California and your friend, a hodling, holding onto crypto for long-term, enthusiast, just moved to New York. You want to send them some BTC to celebrate their new digs, but how exactly does that work? Banks take ages for transfers, and let's face it, traditional finance isn't exactly known for its speed or transparency. That's where the beauty of crypto comes in. Bitcoin transactions are recorded on a public ledger, meaning anyone can see them, but they're secure, like sending a secret handshake in a crowded room. Only those with the right key can decipher it. This transparency also cuts out the middleman, allowing for faster and, usually, cheaper transactions. So, how do we get this digital gold from your Coinbase account to your friend's crypto wallet? Buckle up, because we're about to embark on a crash course in sending BTC on Coinbase. Step 1. Gearing up, before you blast off. First things first, you'll need a Coinbase account. If you haven't signed up yet, the process is pretty straightforward. Download the app or head to their website and follow the prompts. Once you're in, make sure you have some Bitcoin in your account. You can buy some directly through Coinbase using various payment methods. Step 2. Knowing your destination, the all-important wallet address. Now, here's the crucial part, your friend's crypto wallet address. Think of it as their unique digital mailbox for crypto. It'll be a long string of letters and numbers, kind of like a super secure postcode for the blockchain. There are two ways to get this address. They send it to you directly. This is the easiest option. Ask your friend to find their wallet address and copy-paste it for you. Scan their QR code. Most crypto wallets allow users to generate a QR code, a fancy barcode-looking thing. Open your Coinbase app, and it should have a scan option. Point your phone's camera at the code, and voila! The address is automatically populated. Double, triple check, you don't want lost coins. Here's the golden rule, always double and triple check the address before hitting send. A typo here could mean your Bitcoin is gone forever, floating around in the vast digital ocean with no way to retrieve it. Step 3, sending time, let's get those Bitcoins moving. Alright, with the address secured, it's time to fire up the Coinbase app. Tap on the transfer button. Select Send Crypto. Choose Bitcoin, BTC, from the list of assets. Here comes the important part, enter your friend's wallet address. This is where that double and triple checking comes in handy. You can also choose to send by phone number or email address if your friend is a Coinbase user in a supported country. Next, decide how much Bitcoin you want to send. You can enter an amount in either Bitcoin or your local currency. Coinbase will also show you the estimated network fees. These fees are paid to miners who verify transactions on the Bitcoin network. Step 4. Review and send, the final countdown. Before hitting that send button, take a moment to review everything. Make sure the address, amount, and fees are all correct. Once you're confident, hit send. Step 5. Patience is a virtue, waiting for confirmation. Unlike sending an instant message, Bitcoin transactions take a little time to process. This is because they need to be verified by miners on the network. The waiting time can vary depending on network congestion, but it usually takes just a few minutes to an hour. You can track the progress of your transaction within the Coinbase app. Once it's confirmed, your friend will receive the Bitcoin in their wallet. Congratulations! You've successfully sent Bitcoin using Coinbase. Now, your friend can hodl onto their Bitcoin, use it to buy stuff online. There are more and more merchants accepting crypto these days, or even trade it for other cryptocurrencies. Remember, the world of crypto is exciting, but it's also important to be responsible. Always do your research before investing, and never share your wallet address or private keys with anyone.